Okay, it's Monday, July 11th. So we're gonna look at the mango um, trees that are flashing new leaves right now. So this is a manila. I grafted a whole bunch of different varieties onto it. I don't recollect what varieties these are. I think one of them is a Mahachanuk, but I don't know which one. Maybe it's this one. Okay, so this is it wasn't doing really well at all. I think it might be 5, 6, 7 years old. So it was struggling, but this year it seems like it's starting to flush out new leaves right now, and it looks pretty good. Let's see, it died back all the way to that tip there, and then I don't know what variety that is, and I'm hoping this one is a Pickering. I don't know if it is. I think it might be. So, because the leaves looks different than all the other ones. Okay, and so this is the manila that I bought from Home Depot a couple years ago. So you see that's the manila leaves right there. So I basically just cut the pots at the bottom off. You see, and just leave it on top of the ground like that, the soil like that. I didn't even dig anything at all. So we're gonna look at this other one, the lemon zest. I think this could be 8 to 10 years old. I don't remember how old exactly it is. But this is the second time it's flushing new leaves this year. So this was like 2 months ago. So it's already hardened up, and it's about to flush out some more new leaves. So you see these are the new one, second time around this year. So it's pretty good that it's growing so fast like this. So lots of new flushes coming out right now, and unfortunately there are no fruits. Like it got so many flowers back in March, but not a single fruits on it. I couldn't find any fruits. So I mean, in a sense it's good, because then the tree get to to build up, and become stronger. So next year it can bear fruits. You see lots of new growth, which is good. I mean, all looking healthy too. I don't see any problem with it at all. There's no pest, no disease. So it's probably about 6 foot tall. I think it's about 6 foot tall. So see all the new growth? Looks really good. Very impressed. Very big. Hopefully, a few years gonna get to like maybe 15 foot tall. That would be amazing. I hope. Okay. So I also have some cherimoya left from last season that's still on the tree. This is my wax apple. No flowers at all. Tree looks great though. So no flower. And the leaf smells really good too. Crush the leaves. Okay, I don't know. There's ants here. Gonna have to get rid of those ants. Let's see. It likes the sap from the leaves because I guess it's sweet. I'm gonna have to remove them. I don't see any aphids on it. There's no aphids. I have to remove them. Okay. It looks nice and green. But I do want to show the cherimoya. You see? That's left over from last year. Still on the tree. And we also have flowers blooming at the same time. I just finished hand pollinating some of these, so I'm gonna do some more pollinations. Okay, so there's what's left over from last year. See that tree there? Hard to see. 7 o'clock. It's getting dark. And then there's another big one over here. It's another big fruit. It's from last year. See that? Big one. I don't know if it's ready or not yet. It seems like it's not ready yet. I'll let it get bigger. That's a big one.